Let's learn how you can reset or remove your YouTube recommendations. Over time, YouTube's algorithm recommends videos on the home feed based on your viewing habits, preferences, and interactions. However, sometimes this can lead to a feed that's not interesting to you and you want to remove it from your recommendations. And let's reset or remove the YouTube recommendations on your YouTube account. So what you want to do is to open any web browser that you want. I'm using Chrome, so I'll open that and go to youtube.com. Make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account and then click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with a bunch of options, and you want to click on this Your Data in YouTube button. When you click on that button, it's gonna open this page where you can see and control your YouTube data. You want to scroll down until you can see this YouTube Watch History section. Your recommendations are all based upon what you've watched in the past. YouTube videos that you've watched and liked will influence what the algorithm is recommending to you and what you will see on your home page. If you want to get rid of this, then click right here. And the first step that you can do is to turn this off. So turning off the watch history will pause it, and they won't track what you've watched in the past, and by doing that they can't recommend videos on the home page to you. But if you want to remove the recommendations completely and reset the home page, then click on this Manage History button at the bottom of the page, and we'll get to this YouTube history page. You will see a list of all the videos you've watched on YouTube in the past from this specific account. In order to reset the recommendations, then you want to delete this watch history completely. Click here, and then select the all time period. And now we will delete all of your YouTube watch history from this account. So if you don't want to do it, then skip this step, but this is the only way that we can reset the YouTube recommendations on our homepage. If you don't care about your watch history, then click on the delete button and wait a couple of seconds until they delete our watch history on YouTube. Since we turned off the watch history and deleted our past videos from the list, then our YouTube recommendations will be removed and reset. When you go to your YouTube homepage, you will see new videos that are different because it's been completely reset. And that's how you clean up your home page from the YouTube recommendations. If this video was helpful to you and you were able to do this without a problem, then leave a comment on this video and I'll see you in the next one.